what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. So we're going to a building on Yonge Street in Toronto that the basement is backing up, and we're gonna snake it out to clear it.
Put a couple more.
This will be 60 feet. So you can see the water going down now. That's about 47 feet from here. We'll take a look in the other room. See if all that water is going down right the way it should. So we got movement over here. Alright. So all this water is going to trickle over. Water here will trickle over. I think there's supposed to be a drain here. I'm hearing water over there. That might be a drain over there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a drain under those steps, but it's all clear. I can hear it running. Okay, so the drain, actually, I can see it, the cable's going that way. So it must feed out the back to the side street. looks like toilet paper and hair. I don't know where to get hair. Try flushing the toilet. That's flushing good now. How's it going?
Oh, good. How are you?
Oh, good, good.
So is this done now here?
Yep.
Oh, perfect. So everything is done now?
Yeah. The only thing that may not be done is in the back room. But if you want, I'll show you. So there's still a little bit of water here, but this is just because of bad slope, because everything drains over there. But this back room here, I don't know if there's a drain in there or if it just seeps through the wall. But if you guys want us to investigate that, you got to clean that room up. Whoever looking after that, right?
To be truthful, this room has been open after I don't know so long.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I don't know who looks after that. I'm gonna talk to Ali though and tell him about that, and if it may just come all here, right?
Yeah.
But I gotta.
So one over here did come all the way through there?
Yeah, it's all connected. All drains are connected before they leave the building. So like any drain you guys use upstairs would be connected with all these. This is connected. Everything, right? So it's the way everything runs. So you guys just gotta do a cleanup and you're good to go.
Will it happen again?
Can you predict the future? If you can, you're in the right business. You're financial, right?
I can predict how the market goes. I can predict how this goes.
Yeah. Did you predict Doge?
I mean, no, not God. That was Elon Musk. But yeah, this is a message to my manager.
So the back room by the stairs, that's still got water in it, but it sounds like it's kind of seeping into the other drain. That room's a disaster. I can't spend hours looking for a drain, right? Yeah. Sure. Hello. Hi. Sure? Yeah. Roachford. Okay. Alright, thank you. Right, bye now. Sorry, so basically the drain's in the back. If the water doesn't go away, so you guys close for the weekend?
No, we're open tomorrow.
Okay, so at the end of the day tomorrow, look to see if there's any water still there.
Okay.
Right? If there is, then Ali will have to get somebody in to kind of clean that area out, or whoever, right? I'm not saying him, I'm just saying somebody may be doing it.
Yeah.
I'm not doing it. That's not my job. I got other emergencies I got to deal with. The main drain is clear.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So you guys should be good for now.
Okay. Thank
All right?
you so much.
No problem. Have a good night.
But if you just check it by, we're closing at 5 tomorrow, so I should just check around 4:30.
Yeah, check around then, and then, like I said, I'm going to be contacting Ali anyway,
Okay.
and letting him know that if there's a drain back there,
Yeah.
it's probably buried. Like there's stuff all over the floor, and
Yeah, we don't use that room at all.
Yeah.
It's connected with the upstairs. I don't know where.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I don't even know what's in there. I'm too scared to step in.
Not a problem, not a problem. So I'll talk to Ali and let him know, okay? All right, you guys have a good weekend. Thank you. All right. So there you guys go. That's another one. Basement main drain backing up. Everything's clear now as far as we know. It's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.